LS coupling scheme and solved a few of the numericals related to LS coupling scheme. So, extending the topic to the next parts of the LS coupling scheme, here we will study about spectral terms. Spectral terms are very much important terms to be used in spectroscopy. Here, when we study a transition of an atom from excited state to ground state in spectroscopy, the various states of the atom, they are represented with the help of spectral terms. So, to study the various spectral terms, we will discuss different cases one by one. So, first case is atoms having one valence electron. You can say hydrogen atom or hydrogen-like atoms. Also, we will take the example of sodium atom. So, firstly, we deal with the hydrogen atom, or you can say even sodium atom. The valence electron, as we are to deal with the valence electrons, it resides in s state. It lies in s orbital. For sodium, it lies in 3s orbital, 3s1 configuration, and in case of hydrogen, it is in 1s1 configuration. So, as electron is in 1s state, then L will be 0. For s orbital, L is 0. As this is in s state, it is a single electron, so it will be in spin up state. So, small s spin quantum number, it will be plus half. Dear friends, here it is written capital S. Actually, it is not capital S, it is small s, and it is plus half for spin up state. Now we calculate capital L. Capital L, it will be equal to small l because it is a single electron. So, capital L will be equal to L, as L is 0. So, capital L will also be 0, and value of capital L 0 stands for S term. So, now the electron in hydrogen atom, it will be residing in S term, and answer is S term here. Because a general notation for any term, it is 2s plus 1 Lj. Value of L, it gives the name of the term. So, L value, it gives S term because L value is 0 here. So, it corresponds for S term. So, we write here S. Now, these two values are remained that we are to calculate 2s plus 1 multiplicity of the state and J total angular momentum of the state. For that, we calculate capital S. Capital S is equal to small s, again because there is only one electron, and small s is half, just I have told you. So, capital S will also be half. So, when you substitute this half value here, it will be 2 into half plus 1. It will be 2. So, this 2, it is a multiplicity of the state. Now, we will discuss the calculation of capital J. As capital J is total angular momentum, it will be calculated using LS coupling scheme, and J is equal to L plus S minus 1. We go on decreasing in the subsequent values by 1. Finally, the last term is modulus L minus S. This we discussed in detail during LS coupling scheme. Here L is 0, S is half, 0 plus half is half. So, only one allowed value of J will be there. And using this notation, we write J here. J comes out to be half. We substitute this value here, and our term notation comes 2s half for hydrogen or hydrogen-like atom in the ground state. When they are in the ground state, term is written like this. When we come to all the alkali metals, the term will be similar. that in the next we have taken the example of sodium. The term is similar term is there, but here 3 is because the valence electron of sodium, it is in the 3s orbital. Principal quantum number is 3, so here that's why we have written 3 there. So this completes our atom with one valence electron. It is very simple. Now we will deal with atoms with 2 electrons. The first case is when 2 electrons are non-equivalent. When 2 electrons are non-equivalent. Non-equivalent means they correspond to different n and l subgroups. N and L subgroups. Either value of n may change or value of L may change. So first case is SS configuration. First case is SS configuration. Here we have 2 electrons. One is in S state, another is in S state. But how they are non-equivalent? They will be non-equivalent when one will be in, say, 1s orbital or 1s state, and other will be in 2s orbital or 2s state. So we will have principal quantum number for one electron as 1 and for second electron as 2. So they will correspond to different n and l subgroups there. So here for the first s electron, as it is in s orbital, L value will be 0. As it is a single electron, it will be in the up state plus half. For the other electron, again, as it is in S state, L value will be 0. And again, in the second, as for that orbital, it is a first electron, so it will be again in the up state. So spin will be plus half. So now we apply the coupling scheme. Capital L value is L1 plus L2, go on decreasing subsequently by 1. So here both the values are 0 and 0. So what will be the values there? 0 plus 0. Only one term will be there. And capital value equal to 0, it corresponds to S term. So for this very configuration, we will be dealing with the S term. So we look at the answer here. Both the terms are S term. Why we get 2 different terms? This we'll see. It will be due to the spins. So capital S, it is equal to S1 plus S2, go on decreasing subsequently by 1. So half plus half is 1. Then this value, half plus half minus 1, it will be 0. So we have 2 values, 1 and 0. Negative values are not allowed. As we have 2 values of S, 1 and 0, corresponding to S is equal to 1, this notation 2S plus 1. For S is equal to 1, it will be 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. So this will be this state. 3 from S value, capital S from L value. Then next S value is 0. When you substitute here, it will be 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. It's very straight. Now we are left with only the calculation of J. So J is calculated according to LS coupling scheme by this formula. L plus S, subsequently go on decreasing by 1. So L value is 0, S value is 1. This is one combination written here. Another combination, L value is 0, S value is 0. This is combination is written here. So when we apply the LS coupling scheme, 0 plus 1 is 1, then 0 plus 1 minus 1, that is 0, not allowed state. Why? Because L minus S, 0 minus S modulus value, it will be 1. So we will have single value of J. Single value of J we write here, and it will be 3s1 state. Now for 0, 0 values, 0 plus 0 is 0, J value is 0, 1s state. So this is how terms are obtained when both two electrons are non-equivalent electrons and they are in SS configuration. Now the two non-equivalent electrons may be also in sp configuration. That is, one electron may be in 1s state, another electron may be in 2p state. So for that sp configuration, as one electron is a s electron. So for s electron, L quantum number 0, S spin up state plus half. For P, L value is 1, spin up state plus half. Now we calculate capital L value. Capital L value is L1 plus L2. So 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. And last term is L1 minus L2. 0 minus 1 modulus again 1. So we will be having only a single value of L. And L value 1 corresponds to P term. So in the answer we will be all having P terms. Rest on depends upon S and J values that we will discuss just now. So now we calculate capital S. Capital S corresponds to here S1 is plus half, S2 is plus half. So half plus half is 1, half plus half minus 1, that is 0. So when we calculate the multiplicity 2s plus 1 for s value 0, multiplicity is 1, that is called singlet state. And when you put s value 1, here, so 2 into 1 plus 1, that will be 3, that state is called triplet state. So corresponding to capital S value 1, we will be having a triplet state, and triplet state we have 3 terms here. 2s plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, all have 3 here, 3 multiplicity. For S value 0, this is called singlet state, and we is having a 1 term here. 2 into 0 plus 1 is 1 here. So now again last calculation remained for value of J. So J is equal to L plus S. So it depends on again the combinations. L value can be 1, S value can be 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. First value is 2. Then 1 plus 1 minus 1. Second value is this. Last value is 1 minus 1, 0. So we have 3 values of J and written in the terms 2, 1 and 0. Corresponding to this combination, L value 1, S value 0. L value 1, S value 0. So J is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1. Here 1 minus 0 is 1. So we will be having only a 1 term, this one. So 4 terms are there for sp configuration, 2 non-equivalent electrons. Next is 2 electrons may be in pp configuration. That is, 1 electron may be in 2p state and another electron may be in 3p state. So as first electron is in p state, L is equal to 1. Up state plus half. Another electron, it is in p state 1, L for p orbital, and S2 is plus half. So L value, capital L values are obtained by this formula. Both values are 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1. Last value is 1 minus 1, 0. L value 2 correspond to D term. L value 1 corresponds to P notation term. L value 0 corresponds to S term. So we have 3 terms corresponding to each value of capital L, 2, 1, 0. D, P and S. So all the terms will be corresponding to D, P and S notations. So from this capital L value. Now our aim is to calculate 2S plus 1. So for that we need capital S. Capital S will be calculated from the spins. Plus half, plus half. So it will be calculated like this. Half plus half 1. Last value half minus half 0. So we have two capital S values 1 and 0. 3 L values. So now we will be having 6 combinations. We will be having 6 combinations. L value 0, S value 0. L value 0, S value 1. And rest of the all we will be having 6 combinations. And for each combination we will try to calculate J value. So let us calculate for the first term. L value 0, S value 0, 0 plus 0, 0. So J value is 0. S value is 0, 2S plus 1, it is 1. So it is 1S term. L value 0 mean S term. Again, you can do next all. Now think of this. This is S value 0, S value 0, L value 2. L is equal to 2. So it corresponds to D term. S is equal to 0, put here. 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. This term is there. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. So J value is 2. This term is 2. So proceeding in the same way, you can calculate the various terms. So all these terms will be available. Now we correspond to two equivalent electrons. Two equivalent electrons like they are in same orbital. S2. Same N and L subgroups. Same N and L subgroups. S2, P2, D2. For two electrons, Pauli exclusion principle is applicable. Hence, certain terms which are allowed in case of non-equivalent electrons may not be allowed for equivalent electrons. So we will see what will happen. As S2 configuration, L1 and L2 both values are 0 and 0. S1, S2 values half and half. Spin values, spin half. So corresponding to this, capital R value will be 0, 0 plus 0, S term. It will correspond to S term. Now applying capital S. Capital S is S1 plus S2. But as they are in the same orbital, so one electron will be in spin up state, another will be in spin down state. That both will be anti-parallel. So when they are in anti-parallel, spins gets cancelled. So S will be 0 here. S is equal to 1 is not allowed state. So we have L value 0, S value 0, so J value will be 0. So this notation will be there. So when the two electrons are equivalent, only one term is there. If we see the previous calculation where two electrons are non-equivalent and in S state, there are two states. SS configuration, there are two states. But for equivalent electrons, this state is not allowed due to Pauli's exclusion principle. Similarly for P state. P state, L is equal to 1. For P, L2 is equal to 1. So 1, 1. So we will be having 3 values of capital L. L1 plus 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 values. L value 2 correspond to D term. 1 correspond to P term. L value 0 correspond to S term. But when we come to the spin angular momenta, both are in the same configuration. Anti-parallel, one will be up, another will be in the down state. So we will be having only one allowed value of S according to Pauli exclusion principle. So the notations will be that is capital S, it will be 0 for even values of S, L, and S value 1 plus 1, half plus half is 1, half plus half minus 1 is 0, half minus half is 0, two allowed states. So S value 1, it will be for odd values of L. For even values of L, S value will be 0. For odd values of L, S value will be 1. It is due to the asymmetric nature of the wave function. So now we will make the combinations. For even values of L, S should be 0. For even values of L, S should be 0. So for L 0, S is 0. For L2, S is 0. For odd values of L, S will be 1. So few of the terms are restricted in this way. It is due to the Pauli's exclusion principle. So here we will be having 1, 3, total 5 terms. But earlier case, for non-equivalent electrons, we have many terms. So few of the terms are